Guys, it's been raining for 2 days straight. Our 2-truck camper Pop-Up X units have been outdoors the whole time. Let's check inside to see what the situation is like and whether there's been any leakage. Let's go inside first and take a direct look at the interior. As we can see, the entire interior is very dry right now, with no signs of any leaks. Next, let's get in the vehicle and check the situation inside our other truck camper. We need to open all 4 latches. Next, follow me as we go inside and take a look. Let's lift the roof first. Now, let me show you some of the finer details of the vehicle's interior here. Just give me a moment to turn the camera around for you so we can really check out the quality of these seams together. This truck camper has been left out in the pouring rain outside for more than 40 hours now. There is not a single leak anywhere. Let's expand the slide-out mechanism. To comprehensively evaluate how well our lower slide rail system withstands both wind and rain. Let's take a look at all these corners and edges. There's absolutely no sign of any leakage. Next, I'll go down and open our 270-degree side awning to see how it performs in wind and rain. When we open the side awning on a rainy day, it expands our activity area and keeps us from getting wet in the rain. Right here, there is also a sturdy support pole. Once we have set it all up, it helps to effectively channel the rainwater off the tent. Many people truly enjoy being alone in the wind and rain, so with our pickup truck, we can find a perfectly quiet spot and savor this kind of peaceful, leisurely time. Now let's go inside and take a look. Inside the camper, we can listen to the sound of rain and enjoy a rare moment of tranquility, and we can also appreciate the beauty of nature through the window above. If the indoor temperature gets too low, we can quickly adjust it using the heating system. If you also enjoy this kind of lifestyle, then join us and make your travels worry-free, fully enjoying the journey of life.